This is Jake with A.G. Russell Knives, and today I have for you the A.G. Russell Arkansas Hunter with brown marquetry. I've already done a full video overview of the Arkansas Hunter, and this knife is exactly the same with the exception of the handle. So if you want to watch the full video overview, take a look in the description and I'll provide a link. I wanted to do a special video for this one because I think marquetry is really cool. Marquetry is the art of putting wood together in a mosaic type pattern. It's basically wood mosaics. Takes a lot of work, a long time to do, but it turns out beautifully. You pre-cut a bunch of little pieces of wood, several hundred, and you glue them all together, and then if you're going on a knife, you gotta stabilize them so they can withstand a few decades of use. And they come out just beautifully. Really pretty. So this knife here is done for us by our friends at Santa Fe Stoneworks, and they're out of New Mexico. They do an excellent job, just really pretty. Nice fit and finish, no gaps on here. Really well done, really pretty. You can see why I did a special video for this. So this pattern in particular is exclusive to us, and more specifically, it's exclusive to just this knife right here. We've made 100 of these, and that's all there's going to be of these. We might consider doing some other handles in the future, but for this pattern with marquetry, this is the only one you'll see. So as I said, this is the same knife as the regular Arkansas Hunter, just with a different handle. 3.5 inch blade, 4 inch handle, lock back, openable with either hand. We're using the thumbnail. One-handed opening. It's only polished down, so it's got a little bit of grip there, so you can open it with just your thumb. Nice click to it. It's a lock back. It has our standard stop pin, allowing you to shut the blade hard without worrying about the edge hitting the hump. So no blade damage there. Beautiful on the grind. Really well done. Clip point blade. Has a lanyard hole, so you pull it out of your pocket. The bolsters, liners, and all that extra hardware is made out of a 400 series steel, so it's a nice quality steel. It's not going to cheap out on you. Really well done. Blade itself is using our HCR 13 MOV. Excellent heat treatment on there. And it's just a pretty blade. Really pretty. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more like this knife, or what kind of knives you want to see. Thanks for watching.